Gandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ang Tacloban City Government ay nag-declare na ng state of emergency sa Tacloban. Dahil po ito ay sa limitasyon ng paggamit ng San Juanico Bridge. It is not only affecting the economy of the region, but I think it is definitely affecting the economy of the country as a whole. Ako po ay to be quite frank, medyo nalilito din ako. Because I feel that the public should be given all the information pertaining to the condition of the bridge. Sino bang gumawa ng study na to? At bakit bigla-bigla na lang binigyan kami ng 48 hours para isara itong tulay na to? Dahil dyan ay maraming spekulasyon tuloy na there is something going on that hindi ka nais-nais, like corruption. I feel it is the duty of the national government to inform the public and tell them exactly who made the study, what the study says exactly, anong extent ng damage, at gaano katagal nila gagawin talaga itong tulay na to. Kasi mahirap yung pabigla-bigla. This is not the first time. About 20 years ago, that bridge was repaired. And ample time was given to the public, almost 6 months preparation. Kaya nawala ho yung walang speculation ng araw na yon. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na dapat itigil muna yung paggawa ng RoRo or alternative ways of crossing the San Juanico Strait. Tuloy pa rin yun. It is an emergency, it's needed badly. But I feel experts should be called in, if they were not called in earlier, to look into that bridge and to see magkano ba talaga at gaano katagal nila gagawin yan. At kung may sira ba talaga. Kasi napaka-importante yan dahil ang lumalabas unang estimate ay pumapalo ng 800 million. Ngayon, pumapalo daw ng 7 billion. Malaking amount yun. That is a very big amount. And even if you spend 7 billion, a feasibility study, a project study, a careful analysis should have been made. At ito, wag sana gamitin na rason para gumawa ng isa pang tulay. Kasi kailangan talaga natin ng isa pang tulay. This is the main artery from Mindanao to Luzon and vice versa. And you need definitely at least 2 bridges here in order to make it sustainable, at the same time some sort of economic security naman para sa may iba-ibang regions. Kaya ako'y nananawagan, dapat i-clarify ng mabuti itong issue na to. Dahil ako po, nung congressman ako, naalala ko that bridge was repaired, but a study was shown. It was done by a Japanese company. I think it was Sumitomo during that time. And I think we need experts really to look into this. I think if we do that, mapapabilis, baka mapamura pa yung pag-ayos nitong tulay na to. Yun po. At kung nagawa na po yun, dapat isiwalat at ipakita sa publiko yun para naman mawala itong mga speculation at mga haka-haka. Maraming salamat po.